Hey team, I'm Stuart Taylor from Influential PMO and I'm here to support my colleagues in the project community. This is a quick tip on the distribution of meeting minutes. I don't know anyone that enjoys taking minutes. It's a thankless task. Whilst everyone else is thinking and talking, you're having to listen, think about what needs to be captured, place it in the appropriate context, and then move your hand fast enough to capture all of that information before you lose track of what else is being said. As I said, it's a thankless task. Have you ever even heard of somebody getting a bonus for all the great minutes they wrote? So it's no wonder at the end of that miserable activity, you just want to get rid of the outputs. You want to put it behind you as soon as possible. But you know you're supposed to send it out to the membership. So, like a sneaky ninja, you try to bury the minutes, don't you? You either bury them in an email with other content, or you don't draw attention to them in the subject line, or you make them accessible via hyperlinks to some horrible looking SharePoint page rather than a simple attachment. Anything to avoid someone challenging the content. And yes, I know that a lot of the time that challenge will come from somebody who's arguing about what they meant to say rather than what they actually did say. But by burying the minutes, you're only serving yourself. Are you being paid to serve yourself? No. So write up the minutes as best as you can, get them reviewed by a trusted source, ideally the chair if you can, and then send them out in an email marked Review, Minutes from Steerco, and sit up straight and take it on the chin if you got something wrong, or facilitate if there's a disagreement. Doing so will mean that the future meetings are less likely to get derailed over disputes over what was said and agreed in this meeting. See? Don't be a sneaky ninja. Add value instead. If you enjoyed the video, click like. If you didn't, go and watch a few more, they'll probably grow on you. And if you really loved the video and you don't want to miss any new content, hit the subscribe button. Have a great day and I'll catch you next time, you sneaky ninja.